Hey guys, what a bloody day. You're still not pumping because your US dollar dominance pumps and close like that in a daily time frame. Okay, look at that. This is our resistance area yesterday and it closes above it. And now here we are. But I want you to look at this. I want you to look very closely. Also, I adjusted this trend line, resistance trend line here. I've adjusted it a little bit lower. Okay, and this one is much perfect. Okay, resistance, 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 there, resistance. Now I'm expecting US dollar dominance to still pump to this area, 6.05, and crypto will also bleed. Okay, but I'm not doing anything. Why? Because we are near to the end of the line. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. That yellow line serves as the greatest resistance that may retest this one. Once we break that, then I'm done. I'm gonna sell everything I have. Okay, if we close above here, then maybe it's gonna pop just like that. Maybe, but now, not now. Okay, remember that if we break that, then we cannot come push up higher for your US dollar dominance. Okay, but right now all I see is a bearish divergence right there. Okay, it's a bearish divergence. Okay, that's your daily time frame here. But here's the thing. Weekly time frame looks good, strong, and a little bit of a pump. Okay. Okay, maybe we're gonna end up this week like this one. A good green candle right here. And maybe by next week we can see this topping out with this region here. Okay, just like we did here. Okay, look at this candle right here. Okay, it pumps but eventually it turns red, so it indicates a bearish one. Also this one, the green one here, tapping it, get rejected, come back down. Look at this RSI in your weekly time frame. It's rising. Okay, as you can see, that one, it's rising channel. Okay, also this one is a bearish one. Okay, so it indicates trend reversal to the upside. Okay, I want you to show these charts. Okay, just like this one, just like what we did here. Okay, RSI is coming back up, and this one also is coming back up, right? But eventually it come back down. That's what I'm looking here. Okay, I want this RSI to cool down a bit. Okay, I want RSI to come back down here to this level area here, and this chart coming back here before they blast off. Or I want of course breaking it down so we can continue the bull run, but that's not the case here. Okay, now for XRP chart, we're still inside this broadening wedge. Okay, we also have this bullish divergence here. It's obvious. Okay, so maybe we can literally came back down when the US dollar dominance flashes to the upside, and this RSI will go like this, another higher low before it goes to the upside. Okay, so as you all can see, XRP always does at 23%. Maybe this is a what you so call this accumulation phase. Let's go on your daily time frame here. I want to show you something. Okay, look at this. This area right here, okay, is a sign of this chart. Okay, maybe this one is your distribution phase. Okay, just like you've seen here, distribution phase. Then it comes back down, right? Comes down. Then it consolidates for accumulation phase right now. Consolidate for accumulation phase right now. And once we break this trend line right here, we can continue to go higher. But I'm not gonna expect an all-time high. Or I'm not expecting it to go to the moon, 15 to $22 as expected. I don't think it's gonna happen now. Okay. So this is just a guide. Okay, look at this. Look at the chart of that one compared to our chart right now, right? What can you see now? It's kinda looks like the same, right? Okay, because if we're gonna say that this is the pattern, that this one, this one, this one, maybe we can crawl back down here. Okay, before pump here. But the question is, are we going to break that? Because if it's not, then of course we're gonna come back down. Okay, this is just a guide. Okay, so now let's go back in. I also do think that we can still have some chip sideways here and still gonna come back up right here. Okay, now let's go on to your Bitcoin. 95,000. Very bad. Okay, very bad. But I have something to show you right now. Okay, I want to make some clear drawings here. I don't know if I can adjust this one. Maybe I'm just extending it a wrong way. There. I don't know. But still. Maybe. Something like that. But let's see. Yeah. There's a possibility here that this trend line is much more accurate here. Look at this, you have supports here from 2017. Okay, we drop down below here because of the bear market here, a trap, come back up. So this is the resistance, and now this is your support right here, right? That's one. Okay, we also support here. Okay, now gonna tend to be this support area right here. So I'm not turning bullish here, guys. I'm not turning bullish here. Because this is a rounded top. It could be your distribution phase. It's gonna come back down to these regions here. Okay. Bearish divergence here. You see that? It's your weekly bearish divergence. Very noticeable there. Okay, but I am looking for a rebound here. That's what I'm looking right now, a rebound. Maybe we can go back up here, retest this moving average is coming back. Maybe you could go higher like this, 108,000 before a dump for your bear market. Maybe we can retest that in the next couple of weeks, or I'm expecting a December pump, and everyone's gonna be excited. But we are going to be stopped right here. Okay, so be careful for that. Okay. I'm also looking at this one. Told you, maybe we're gonna close like this. Almost 2 days left. Maybe we can close like this. By next week, we can hang for a consolidation whatsoever. Or maybe it takes a couple of weeks before we recover. But I'm still eyeing for this one. For this pump right here. Still eyeing for that. Okay. Can have a retest to these levels right here, 2.65 to 2.75 area right here. So that's all for today. I'm still not panicking, you know. I'm still just holding it. Still waiting. I'm still waiting, okay? Please always do your own research. Okay? Because I think US dollar dominance will fall in such a dramatic way. Okay? Oh, not dramatic way, but the same as it did in the past, okay? Let's see. Maybe this one is going to pop higher right now, come back down here, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay? Thank you, God bless. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Bye-bye.